Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this very nice radical equation. Square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 is equal to 9. And we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, squaring on both sides. Square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 whole squared is equal to 9 squared by taking squaring on both sides. Now from an algebraic identity, if we have a plus b whole squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here a is square root of x and b is square root of x minus 9. So this will become as a plus b whole squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A is square root of x squared plus 2 into a, which is square root of x, into b, which is square root of x minus 9, plus b squared, which is square root of x minus 9 whole squared, is equal to 9 squared, which is 81. Now this square root cancel with this square, and here we were left with x plus 2, and we can write this as square root of x into x minus 9, because when square root of a into square root of b, we can write this as whole square root of a into b, plus this square root cancel with this square, and here x minus 9 will be left, is equal to 81. Now x and plus x plus 2 into square root of x into x minus 9, and move this negative 9 from left hand side to right hand side, and here 81, and this will become positive 9. So now x plus x, which is equal to 2x plus 2 into square root of, under the square root there is x into x minus 9, so multiplying x with x we get x squared, minus x multiplied by 9 gives us 9x, is equal to 81 plus 9, which is 90. Now by taking 2 common from left hand side, and inside the bracket here x plus 2, which we have taken common, and here square root of x squared minus 9x is equal to 90. Now dividing both sides by 2, and here this 2 cancel with this 2, and here x plus square root of x squared minus 9x is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8, and 2 5s are 10, so 90 divided by 2 gives us 45. As we are interested to find x, so in the next step move this x from left hand side to right hand side, and this will become a square root of x squared minus 9x is equal to 45, and this will become negative x. Now squaring on both sides, so this will become square root of x squared minus 9x whole squared is equal to 45 minus x whole squared. Now by using an algebraic identity, which is if a minus b whole squared, then this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So in the next step, this square root will cancel with this square, and here x squared minus 9x will be left, is equal to, here we will use this algebraic identity. This is a minus b whole squared, a squared, which is 45 squared, minus 2 into a, which is 45, into b, which is x, plus b squared means x squared. So By moving this x squared from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative x squared, and this x squared and x squared cancel each other. So here minus 9x is equal to 45 squared, which is 45 multiplied by 45, minus 2 multiplied by 45 gives us 90x. Now minus 9x and move this minus 90x from right hand side to left hand side, this will become positive, is equal to 45 multiplied by 45. Now 90x minus 9x gives us 81x, which is equal to 45 multiplied by 45. Now dividing both sides by 81 because we are interested to find x. So here 81 will be divided. So this 81 cancel with this 81. Here x is equal to, we can write this 45 as 9 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5 divided by 81, which is 9 squared. And further we can write this 9 multiplied by 9, which is 9 squared, and 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25 divided by 9 squared. So here x is equal to, this 9 squared and 9 squared cancel each other, here 25. So this is our answer, that x is equal to 25. Now let's verify that whether this value of x, which is 25, is valid or not valid. Let's verify this by using the value of x, which is 25 in this expression. This value becomes square root of x, which is 25, plus square root of x minus 9. It means 25 minus 9, whether it is equal or not equal to 9. So in the left hand side, 25 square root gives us 5, plus 25 minus 9 gives us 16, is equal to 9. So from this, 5 plus square root of 16 gives us 4, is equal to 9. Here 5 plus 4 gives us 9, is equal to 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our value x is equal to 25 is valid for this equation. Thank you for watching.